Hey guys, nice to see you all after a very long time. So I was working behind the camera, behind the software, and I was trying to give you a lot of contents through a lot of beautiful, great artists. Today I have two news. One is bad, one is good. The bad news is Abraham is not well. He's getting a surgery for appendicitis. So that's a very bad news for us. So he won't be able to make some videos maybe for this week and the next. So I'm thinking to give him some rest. So that's the bad news. And the good news is we are working on our own website, Nexttut.com, and it's in the mid stage. It's not yet done, so we're working, and I thought it's a good thing to share it with you and get your valuable feedback. So here is the screen. You can see this is the, again, it's not complete yet, so it's at the middle stage. I mean, some of the things are done, but it's not fully live yet. It's not live yet. It's just the developer has given me the access to see it and give him some feedback. So here is the website. I'll walk through the website, and I'll expect some great advice and suggestion for you guys, from you guys. So it's the Nexttut website. So the domain would be nexttut.com, and if you open it, you'll maybe see something like this. And here is the browse option. You can go to the browse, and you can browse by instructor. Here there are some of the instructors named mentioned here, and then skill, you can browse through skill, modeling, texturing, rigging, and you can browse also through software name. So you can go to browse, and you can, let's say, click on modeling. So now it's going to filter with the modeling course. Of course there isn't any course yet, but once it's live you can see some of the modeling courses here. And if you want to go to the home screen, you can click on the Nexttut logo here, and then you will back to the home screen as usual thing. And here you can see some of the credibility options, like we have 12 students. Of course we have many more, but again it's just a placeholder or just basic uh, false things, you can say. So here is the course category. You'll find it on the home page, and you can choose all categories. Now again, we don't have any courses, so these are just placeholder. And then again, you can, I'm thinking about changing this. They have put the instructor skill software here, but I don't know, I'm not sure to keep it like this. I was thinking to put the skills like modeling, texturing, rigging, animation, like that here, so that you guys directly go to modeling. I need to stop. Okay, so I came back. So okay, so these are some categories. I am thinking to put the skills here instead of putting instructor, skills and software here. So let me know what you think about this homepage category display here. And you can see on the course thumbnail itself, you can see the course name here, and the whole duration of the course, and then the instructor name. There's a bookmark or save or add to wish list icon here. You can call it anything. So if you click on it, it's going to save this course. You can see that pop up here. So it's going to save it as your saved courses. So that's a neat option there. And then of course, if it's a paid course, we have written there buy now for $100, but it's just a placeholder. We are going to change it. Most courses will be available for maybe $10. Okay, so that's the thumbnail. If you want something here on the thumbnail which we are missing right now, then please let us know. And then if you go down there, of course you can see more courses. Let's say there are just 6 placeholders here, but if you want to see more, you can click on this arrow icon to go to the next slide. You can of course see this here on the home page, or you can, again, if you want to browse the whole entire library, then you can go to the browse and click on the category. Okay, if you go down there, there's a banner here called new releases. and just avoid this pixelated images. Right now again it's in just demo mode. So there would be all the new courses here, I mean just the recent releases. So here the new releases tag and the course name and then the subtitles and what's now. If you click on what's now, then it's going to redirect you to the page where you can watch the course. If it's a free, you can watch it with the no or with creating just a account or signing up. Or if it's a paid course, you can see something like this and you can buy it and then you can watch it here. So let's go back to the home page, and if you scroll down you will see some of the instructors photos here and some basic text about the instructors, our uniqueness, high quality premium courses, HD quality, no fast forward. We don't make any fast forward courses. All the courses are real time, so at least we try to do it 99% of the time. So that's there, and then we have a slide here called most popular courses. Yeah, so you can just left click drag to slide more courses. Oh, I accidentally click on that. And then some reviews here. Again, these are no placeholders, these are not real reviews. We are going to replace this. And for the reviews I may request few students, or I may uh, take permission to use some of the YouTube reviews or comments as reviews for our courses, or we can use maybe Udemy reviews. I don't know if we can use it, but I may request it to get 3 5 maybe 4 5 reviews from you guys, so that would be support. Okay, then there's a frequently asked question. There you can just check if you have any doubts or question before you buy a course, then you can go through the uh, questions and answer there. And there's a YouTube section where, let's say someone comes directly to the website and they don't know about our YouTube channel, then uh, they might see it and they know now that we also run a YouTube channel, which is a great channel uh, to learn free and to get some free stuff and to get the news of our new courses and what we are doing. Okay, that's it. And become a member option is this option is going to be deleted, because earlier I was thinking to give membership options, but later I changed my mind and I'm going for the for individual course buy thing. So we are going to change it, and there's a neat option here. You can request a course or you can request a feature here. So you can just click on that and then give your full name, give your email ID, then tell what do you want to make. I mean which course do you want to see. Just write it here and give some details of what's your problem you're suffering or facing, those stuff. So you can submit that, and then you can also request a feature on the website. So let's say you are missing some options on the website, because obviously this is the first release and this is not going to be perfect, so we are gonna miss few things. So it's better you guys to give us the ideas which options. If you want a specific options, then you can request that as well, but I guess you need to be signed off as a member to do that. I mean free obviously, just your email and your name and signed up. Now you can see Anjali Patra says my wife, she has been signed up here, so that's why we can do this. But if I log out here, let's log out. Okay, nobody has been has signed up here. So now if I try to do that, I think, see, it's asking you to sign up. So you can, only a signed up member can request a course. Let me go back. But request a feature is available for everyone, so anyone can request a feature. And if we can do this with the budget, and obviously it needs money to do it, obviously we can, if we can do it, then we are going to do it. So please give us some ideas, give us some feature request, give us some course request. Okay, for signed up you don't need to pay anything. I mean, this is free. Just signed up. Just click on get started for free. Give your full name, give your email ID, and then set a password here. Register. That's for free. So let's register. Oh, sorry, I don't need to register because we have already registered. So let's log in. So that's basically the home page. And once you log in, once you signed up, you are going to see a dashboard like this. So in this dashboard you can see the photos. I mean, you need to upload your photos. For the first time, you are not going to see anything here, but you can go to edit profile and then upload your photo from here. You can upload your photos and save it. So then you can see your photo, your name, your email ID, and on the dashboard you can see which there are three tabs basically: ongoing courses, completed courses, saved courses. So on the ongoing courses you can see all your currently watched courses. I mean, if you are watching a course right now and you are at the middle, and then you can see those courses here. And on the completed, obviously if you finish a course, that course would be here. And then saved course, if you remember, if you click on this icon, it saves the courses there. You can go to dashboard again from here. You are going to get that course here on this area, on the save course area. Now it's in the WIP stage, so it's not finished. So that's why it's showing the same course as ongoing, completed, and saved course. So we are going to fix that. On the edit profile, again you can check your name, email ID, and upload your photo. Change your password from here. And on the purchase course you can see all your purchase course, and on the date of the purchase you can see those. And then you can log out from here, and there again the options of requesting a course and requesting a feature. Do you like these two options? This is my original idea. I have never seen this kind of option anywhere on any website, so I thought it's a great idea to make courses with you guys. I have also talked to Abraham about this, that from moving forward we are going to make courses with you from the very start. So that means we're going to let you know what courses we are thinking about to make, and then we're going to uh, give you some options to give us some feedback on the topics, on the, I mean, give you some suggestions on the topic, on the examples of the projects you need to be covered, or your problems you're facing in that topic area. So that would be great to make that course better. So we are thinking about that. So very soon we are going to let you know how we are going to participate in those. Maybe a Google form, I'm thinking about that. I'll give share the Google form in the description of a particular video, and then you are going to put some details on the form. That would be great support for us. Okay, so this is the dashboard here. Again, you can see your completed courses here, your progress courses here. Do you like the website? I This website is totally no according to me. I mean, I have everything suggested. I haven't taken any suggestion from any students, but uh, I'm making this video because of that. So I want suggestions. If you want any specific options and need, maybe I won't be able to add those specific options in the first release, but in the second update of the website we're going to do that. So that's why I'm making this video. Okay, so these are something you can log out from here. You can, again, this is the cart, basic thing. If you want to add a course to the cart, then you can go to the course, and this is the course watch page. I think they have changed a little bit. Okay, so this is the course watch page. Here you can see the course. Obviously there isn't anything right now. On this side you can see all the lecture video. You can cycle through or click and watch the specific video. That's not yet done. And here you can see the course discount area, add to cart. You can add to cart from here, and now you can see the course on the add to cart area, or you can directly buy it. And here will be the description. You can see the course description and the details about the instructors. Again, not yet done. Resources will let you download the exercise files. Reviews will let you write reviews about the course. And there's a student work section where you can post your work, um, and get comments and feedback and likes, like a Facebook post. It's basically like a Facebook post. You can post your work and get likes and comment from other students, from instructors. So it's a community area, you can say. And I love this area. What do you think about this? Please write it in the comment area. So yeah, those are some of the things. Again, we haven't add any courses here, so it's showing blank. Again, you can save the courses from here. If you don't need the course but you think someone else would be beneficial by this course, then you can of course share this course from here with Facebook, Twitter and email. So I think yeah, there's a notification area as well, where you can see the notifications if instructors has put in something, or maybe you get a comment or like or something like that on your posted work on the student area, then you will get some notifications here. Yeah, that's it, I guess, for now. Let's go to the home page area again. If you are on the dashboard and you want to go to the courses browse area, that's here. You can of course search as well. You can search directly the skill name, the instructor name or the software name, and then the browse area is here. If you want to go to the home page, then click on the Nexttut logo. So this is a basic walkthrough of this not so completed website. I thought this is great to share it, share everything with you that we are working right now, and it builds the relationship between you and us. So thank you. Pray for Abraham that he recovers very soon and come back to the work. He was saying he will be available on Friday, just the day after tomorrow, but I don't think so, because he's going to get the surgery. And he's saying, I mean, it's his greatness and commitment towards work, but I'm thinking about giving him rest of a week or maybe more than that. Let's see. If it's ready, he's ready, then that's also good. But let's see. So that's it for this video. Please comment, you give your suggestions about the website, what you like, what you don't like, what you need, which we are missing right now, because this is all me and thinking about the options and thing, and I'm not a superhuman, so I maybe miss few things or many things. Please let us know. So until Abraham is here, maybe I will go through some tutorials or maybe some previously recorded tutorials. So bye for now, see you again.